Now we'll show you the bird of paradise fold, also known as the sailboat fold. Start with a square napkin, seam side up. Fold in half, then fold in half again. Take the bottom right corner and fold it up diagonally to the top left corner. Turn napkin over and rotate so the loose points are at the top. Take the right section and fold the edges to the center and down. Take the left section, fold the edges to the center and down, just like a paper airplane. Now take the two bottom tails and tuck them underneath. Fold in half, inserting your finger between the fold, and hold the halves together. Take each point and pull up. There you have the birds of paradise fold.
Okay, go.
We will be demonstrating how to do the fan fold. Start with a square seams facing up, fold in half, then fold the bottom part about an inch in, fold again in the same direction, then fold back and forth until there's about 2 inches left. Then flip over and fold in half. Take the top right corner and fold into the center of the napkin. Flip it open, and there is your fan fold. We will be demonstrating the mini tent fold. Start with the napkin seams facing up, fold the napkin into a triangle, fold the napkin again into a triangle, which would be half. Turn so that the longest side is facing the bottom. Fold the bottom corners up to the 12 o'clock position. Fold the napkin over and fold again to the 12 o'clock position. Remember to always press down. Then fold the triangle in half. Turn it over and put the edges facing down, and you've got the mini tent fold.
This is the charger fold. This is used as a silencer between the charger plate and appetizer plate, typically in classical service. First, start with a square napkin, seams facing up. Fold the napkin in half and orient the open end toward you. Fold the napkin in half again. Should we start over? We will demonstrate now how to do the lotus fold. Start with a square napkin, seams facing up. Fold corners to the center and press the sides down. Again, fold the corners to the center and press the sides down. Now carefully hold the napkin and flip over. Like you did before, fold the corners to the center and press the sides down. Now you can either hold the center with your fingers or hold a bowl on the center while with the other hand you pull the corners out. And there you have a lotus fold. This is the charger fold. This is used as a silencer between the charger plate and appetizer plate, typically in classical service. Start with a square napkin seams up. Fold the napkin in half and orient the open end towards you. Fold the napkin in half again. Then fold the topmost layer of the napkin diagonally up to the left top corner. Fold the next layer diagonally up into the left, stopping slightly lower than the last fold. Repeat with the next 2 layers, creating an even staggered effect. At this point, flip the napkin over and have the point at the top. Fold each side in a third to the center. Flip over and press to ensure it stays flat. That's the charger fold.
This is known as a silverware fold. Place napkin with seams up. Fold both top and bottom to meet into the middle. Fold the bottom edge up, leaving 2 to 3 inches. Flip the entire napkin. Now fold into thirds and flip napkin back over. This is the silverware fold.
All right, this is the tent fold, and it's also known as the splash guard. And just take the bottom, bring it to the top. Take the bottom again, bring it up to the top. Then take the side, bring it to the left. Fold it one more time over. That wasn't loud enough. Sorry.
Okay.
Okay, this is how you fold the splash guard. You just fold the napkin in half from one corner to the other, diagonally. And you fold it diagonally again from right to left. And fold it in half again. And you fold it in half one more time. And that's the splash guard.
This is the dining room jacket fold, also known as the tuxedo fold. Fold the napkin in half to make a triangle. Fold the top edge back 2 centimeters. Pull the top, left, and right corners down to the bottom center. Turn napkin over. Fold the left and right corners into the center. Fold the bottom up halfway. Turn the napkin back over. This is the tuxedo fold.
Go.
This is the butler fold. This fold is perfect for nicer events that have a menu or brochure that needs to be incorporated into the table setting. First, fold the top down about 2 inches and the bottom up about 2 inches. Fold the bottom up again to just cover the edge of the top seam. Then fold the bottom up again to make a 3rd tier. Adjust so all 3 tiers are equidistant. Flip the napkin over and fold in thirds. Flip that napkin over again and insert your brochure in either the middle or bottom tier.